Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm trying to grow my nails out, and if you've been following me from the beginning, you know how long my nails were from the beginning, or in the beginning. And not that they aren't long now, I'm not complaining, but they were longer than this. And so I want to get back to that place. And however, I have 4 broken nails now. Let me pen in. Okay, so what I've decided to do, I don't know if anyone else is doing this. If so, you know, comment and let me know if this is actually working for you. I have decided to, instead of applying the Vitagel to the entire surface of the nail and acrylic powder, to just apply it where I need the strength the most, which is the side right here where where the nails tend to break. Just apply it right here to the sides, like right in there, and then just see what happens. So I do have a video where I use this on the entire nail, each nail, entire nail, and it works great. It's just for long-term use, it does make your nails weak after you remove it. So that's one of the drawbacks. But once you apply it, your nails are virtually indestructible. I'm going to remove my patches, and I'm going to show you what that looks like after I remove the patch. So you'll see my little cracks here, and then I'm going to apply the Vitagel and the acrylic powder. I'll show you what that looks like, and I'll come back. I'm going to start from the back. And if you've never applied this before, take your time. It will not dry, you know, without curing, and you don't want it to get on your skin. Okay, you don't want it to cure on your skin because that will cause lifting. Okay, so I'm using just a little acrylic powder. This is the Kiss acrylic powder. I purchased this at Walgreens. It's also at Walmart. Whatever drugstore you have near you, I'm sure you can find it. I did not pay a lot of money for it because I knew that I would not be using this that often, and I don't do sculpted nails. If I were doing sculpted nails, I would use something a little bit more expensive, but it's not the case with me. So as you can see, I'm just applying a little thin layer, and then you want to take a brush and lightly brush it off your skin. And also off of the nail, part of the nail that you're not curing, go ahead and brush it off of that as well. I'm going so I have done one hand, and I applied the Sally Hansen Miracle Cure to each nail after applying the Vitagel and the acrylic to each side. and I don't have any Vitagel on any of the rest of the nail or the edges, the free edge. So I just applied it to the edges, the sides, and filled the cracks with Vitagel and acrylic, and so they are nice and sturdy and strong. So we'll see how this works. So I will be giving updates if I get any cracks or anything, but hopefully we'll be all good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.